Come man, back the boy, and come man, suck them other Blam them, you hear back the boy.
Boy Blam them, gunshot to your son pussy face, boy Blam them, and informer, boy.
Yeah man, me a informer man. Raymond, what the fuck you do on TikTok? Eh? No defend if you go defend Busshead. You know go shut up a man them and the man him slap a Busshead for retaliation. What me care come about me? Where me there now? I just shoot me a talk. And you know, suck pussy illusion. Where your sister have AIDS. Go give your sister some medication for AIDS pill, pussy. And tap follow me up, batty boy. Me gonna tell people say a thief to a madman. And he's a madman more than me. He's a madman, you want naked pussy. That if you tell the people, and tell people you're not done. A Raymond Busshead I done. You're not done pussy. To me I expose you and say me I inform a pussy. Suck out to the mother and I fucking eat that. To make blood clot eat that Fred man them and squash them. Bring some spring war pound. I don't know no under pressure. Fuck on. You wanna go shot cash money for pussy. You shot cash money, I know you're afraid. I'm big eat that suck cock police. I'm gonna kill him and a while ago to go up there. See, I'm not gonna kill people. Look how long Raymond I live. Look how long the blood clot kill Raymond. When I eat that, I want to catch him and then you know try kill him in front of all our people. And then go suck him, mama. A destruction that.
Man, I'm here done, man. I'm here general, man. Here. And Mr. Moore one kills him right just so you're not square. That's square.
Yeah, man, Lojan. We know you're done already, man. Yeah, Raymond. Yeah, man, we know who they want to kill, man. We know, man. And sure they can't catch you, they just kill Busshead. We know already, man. They don't have to tell you, man. Yeah, big up yourself. Just go tell it to the police them who do it. And turn in yourself. And tell the police why man them kill Busshead. Tell the police them say how you go shoot the man them friend and the man them kill back Busshead for retaliation. Yeah man, you know. Yeah man. I may have some medication for your AIDS body sister. Yeah man. And you know Raymond, go defend Busshead thing and not come by me.
You run left Birchill Blam them. You buy one little pro box. I want pro box if you scared buy a Birchill I want.
Big so good girl Shelly. When you leave me alone, bumbo clock you, you know no shame. Eh? You know say more time me expose your business, dirty girl. Leave me alone, so good Shelly. Paper, look pan him out. Squash saying rich and can't go fix him mama mouth. Shelly mouth dirty no bumbo clock and black and stink and cranny. Shelly go look at work, big pussy girl. You just long night house just a chat people business and in a mix up. You sit down on TikTok and watch me every day. Show me a talk your business and expose you. Shelly, nobody now watch you and me people want to say pussy. People tear down. Cause Squash saying rich and can't pay to fix a stinking dirty mouth. I'm going by me back. Y'all bad now if you look at all pro box. Eh? And when we cannot tell people I'm saying I want to run me because I don't want to kill me. And you can't catch me if you kill me. On set police for me. And I so come here for run me. That if you tell the people I'm drunk. If you tell the people I'm saying come, on the day I'm yard if you want to kill me. And when me retaliate for or even want to do me, on the talk ball and run to police. That when the blood clot tell the people them say when you don't want to kill me and then me retaliate, on the talk ball to police. On a fuckery. That me I make you know. And you can't kill me, bro. You can't kill me like how Naya and Busshead them dead. Cause look on our destruction. On the left from South Spring, down 641 up at Rose Heights. On left him and them in a destruction and run we left them come a foreign. On a destruction, Shelly me don't know how you live at Jamaica in a